going to see the chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers, part 3, Input and Output Devices. So what are the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, scanner, fingerprint scanner, trackball, retinal scanner, light pen, optical character reader, barcode, QR code, and voice input system, digital camera, touch screen, keyer. Let me see keyboard. So keyboard is the one of the most common input device. Okay, in that keyboards are classified as wired keyboard, wireless keyboard, and virtual keyboard. So in keyboard, individual keys are letters, numbers, and special characters. These are collectively known as characters keys. Apart from alphabet and numeric keys, it also has function keys performing the different kinds of function. The different set of keys are available in keyboard such as character keys, modifier keys, system and GUI keys, enter and editing keys, function keys, navigation keys, numeric pad and lock keys. There are various types of keys are available in keyboard. So keyboard is the one of the most common input device. Okay children. Next one, mouse. So mouse is divided into two categories, wired and wireless mouse. It is a pointing device. It is a pointing device to control the movement of the cursor on display on the screen. Movement of the cursor display on the screen. நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, மவுஸ் வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது என்னாகும், நம்ம கர்சர் எங்கெங்கே பாயிண்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். எங்கே டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும்? மானிட்டரில் டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். Have you understand children? Okay. Different types of mouse are available. Mechanical mouse and optical mouse, laser mouse, air mouse, 3D mouse, tactile mouse, ergonomic mouse and gaming mouse. Okay. The most commonly used mouses are mechanical mouse, optical mouse and laser mouse. Okay children. Let me see scanner. Have you all seen about the scanner? So scanners are used to enter the information. Scanners are used to enter the information directly into the computer's memory. Directly into the computer memory. This device works like a Xerox machine. This device works like a Xerox machine. The scanner converts any type of printed or written information including photographs into a digital formats. So இதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன ஃபார்மேட்ல கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிக்குவோம்? Digital into a digital format which can be manipulated by a computer. Manipulated means handle. Okay children. Next one, fingerprint scanner. I hope you all seen fingerprint scanner while taking an Aadhaar card. Fingerprint scanner is a fingerprints recognition device. It is used for computer security, equipped with a fingerprint recognition. Okay children. Let me see trackball. I hope many of us students know what is meant by trackball. It is similar to upside and down design of the mouse. The user mouse ball directly while the device remains itself stationary. The user spins ball over the directions in various direction screen movements. Okay, I hope these all peoples are used in for what gaming purpose you people use this mouse. The next one is retinal scanner. We move to retinal scanner. So these also you people seen while taking the Aadhaar. So retinal scanner, this performs the retinal scan, which is a biometric technique that is used in patterns on the personal retinal blood vessels. Okay children. So light pen. A light pen is a pointing device shaped like a pen. It is connected to monitor. At the tip of the pen contains light sensitive element which deflects the lights from the screen, enabling the computer to identify the location of the pen on the screen. So light pens having advantages of drawing. It's mainly used for drawing, children. It is directly on the screen, but becomes hard to use. So it is hard to use, children. It is mainly used in smart boards. Okay. So next one is optical character reader. So that is a OCR. It's a device detects the character printed or written on a paper. Printed or written on a paper. Okay. Computer will recognize the characters in letters, punctuation marks, stores. The scanned document can be used using a word processor. So this is called as OCR. OCR means optical character reader. The next one is barcode and QR code reader. You people, have you all seen in that supermarkets barcode reader? So a barcode is a pattern printed in lines of different thickness. The barcode reader scans the information on the barcodes, transmits computer for the further processing. So what is meant by QR? QR means quick response. QR, have you all seen in your new textbooks QR code, children? Okay, by scanning this you will get an information. Okay, by using the QR code scanner. Okay. The next one is voice input system. So microphone serves as the voice input device. It captures the voice data and send to it computer. Using a microphone, speech recognition software can completely new approach input information to the computer. Have you all seen the voice input system, children? So it is mainly used for e-learning purpose. We can use the voice input system. Okay. So next one is digital camera. So you people know very well about digital camera. It is mainly used for capturing images, videos, and used as a CCD. CCD means charge coupled device. Charge coupled device. It is an electronic chip. When light falls on the chip through the lens, it converts the light rays into a digital format. Have you all seen the digital camera, children? Okay. Let me move to touch screen. Have you all seen the touch screen? It is a GUI interface, children. So that is graphical user interface. A touch screen is used to display the device that allows the user to interact with the computer by using the fingers. Okay. The next one is keyer. Have you all seen keyer, children? A keyer is a device for signaling by a hand by the way of pressing one or more switches. By the way of pressing one or more switches. So let me move to output devices. What are the output devices? Monitor, plotter, printer, multimedia projectors. Have you all seen the monitor, children? See the monitor. So in olden days we are using the CRT, so that is cathode ray tube. Nowadays we are using LCD monitors, that is liquid crystal display. What is meant by LCD? Liquid crystal display. Okay, children. So monitor is the most commonly used output device to display the information. It looks like a TV. It looks like a TV. It is the most commonly output device. Okay, next one, plotter. Plotter is the output device used to produce graphical output on papers. Graphical output on papers. It uses single color or multicolor pens to draw the pictures. Single color or multicolor pens to draw the pictures. Okay. Let me move to printers. Printers are divided into two types. One is impact printer, another one is non-impact printer. Okay. Have you all seen that printer, impact printer? So for example, dot matrix printer. Many of the medical shops, they are using the dot matrix printers. Have you all seen, children? Okay. Let me move to non-impact printer. Non-impact printer is a laser printer. It prints page by page. It prints page by page. And automatic printers, it print line by line. Okay, children? So next one is inkjet printer. What printer? Inkjet printer. So inkjet printers use color cartridges. Which combine magenta, yellow and cyan inks to create color tones. Okay. So a black cartridge is used to monochrome output. Inkjet printers used by spraying ionized ink at the sheet of paper. The inkjet printers generally range from 1 to 20 ppm. ppm means page per minute. Okay, children? The another one is multimedia projectors. Have you all seen the projectors, children? So, multimedia projectors are used to produce computer output on a big screen. They are used to display the presentation in meeting halls, in classroom. Okay, and one of the output device is speakers. Okay, children. Thank you.